The sensors aren't connected to nothing, they just sitting in the cabinet. And that one is way higher. And the unit about to trip out on high head pressure, I believe, because it's not allowing that valve to open for the water on the condenser side. I definitely have a bad sensor. See? Trip out, high head pressure. Got a faulty sensor. Internal water temperature sensor. High head pressure because all this mud. It's causing the unit to trip out on high head pressure. They full of mud in the water line.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's a lot of mud. Alright. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, that line set is just dirty. It's much clearer, but the line set gonna have to be cleared.